Why they have y'all videotaping?
Take that line and move it ahead a bit.
Now, is it going to follow this yellow line?
That yellow line ends. Pull on this line. It's about a foot and a half in. It's right near the stern. And I want you to move this line. Yeah, a little bit short. Give us more line.
How short is the trap?
It's about 1100. They're still sitting out there. Maybe another half hour before the
I'll
hour
go back
to
and
go.
fix the strap a little better. Okay. Wait up here, Joel.
Yeah, if you get an idea what we need for each end, you know.
How much? Don't go ahead, by the way. This is still okay, I'm going to go back on this pipe and fix the strap a little better.
We're at 1400 right now. So we're getting very close to lifting it up all the way. Send some divers down right now to check on it. Make sure the straps are on right. And we'll be ready to go. As far as the oil goes, it's been little spurts of it, little small amounts of diesel oil, not enough to actually clean up. We've got the boom, the southern boom ready, just in case. Put some pads down.
Look like the side door is open, or we gonna lose it?
Like that fashion? Truck doesn't seem like it wavers. I wonder if we don't come up a little bit more, and I think we want to start them pumps and get them going.
That door's open enough, you'll lose the water out there. That's no place to go. Go on that other.
There she is. To be leaking any more fuel. Just settle it and get that from the bottom. Into
There's aluminum pole right underneath that air hose. It's 8 feet long. Don't see a sheen from that. Yeah.
As you can see down here, we've got some engine oil that has leaked out since they've been pumping. It's a small amount, so I just decided to throw some sorbent pads down. At this time, with the wind almost non-existent, so we just leave this stuff here. We don't need to go out any room, so save some funds. If it gets any worse, we'll have to throw some out. But, as far as everything's going, it's really smooth. They got about straps on good. Looks like it's going to be holding. They ran out of gas on one of these pumps, so they're waiting for fuel. Looks like everything's going smooth right now, so got our fingers crossed. Well, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. I'm going to take and recap the hole. Just a plug in this. Seal that and open it in now. Attempt to float it. So hopefully going to set it down after the boat here. And have to raise down. So just wanted to stand by until we get in 5 o'clock. She's setting good in the water. It's plugged up. Discontinued dewatering. So we got pretty much everything out of there. No visible sheen in the water at this time. Very light, if anything, but it's dissipating rapidly. Picked up the pads, tossed them. All in all, it was a good operation. Everything went smoothly, no problems.
Ross, go ahead and get on board if you want to.
Oh, okay, mine.
It's safe. Be
Okay.
careful, don't slip though. There's a hole.
Board. There we go. Need of a mild clean. Everything seems in order. Straighten it out. Drain pump. I need a new chair.